Hey, what's up, guys? This is Carlos. We're actually on site right now. We're doing an entire job. We figured that there was an issue with the sewage line backing up, coming out into the street and creating a really bad hazard, biohazard issue. I had to kind of make sure my girls were hopping over this pipe. It was a big problem, and it was a problem for a couple of weeks. We basically did a quick search online. We found Brew Contracting, got in contact with Dan and his team. They came out promptly, came out very fast, which was great. They identified the issue. From there, they got their permits all set up. They came out, broke ground. They're practically already almost done with the job. They've been here a few hours and it's been fantastic. I had to take some time off of work to get this done, but it's totally worth it because safety is the biggest issue. I got two beautiful girls and we want to make sure everybody's healthy and safe. The entire process from start to finish was super smooth. Dan, Yuri, the entire team did a wonderful job with communicating, making sure that we knew what was happening every step of the way. So if you guys ever have any sewage, water line, or any type of issues that have to do with sewage and water line, I highly recommend Brew Contracting. You guys have a good one.